My name is Adriana Kisina binti Muhammad Hafiz. I am the leader of Group 7.
My name is Nurul Atika Izwani binti Hussein.
My name is Nur Nabila binti Mama Asa Azhari.
My name is Hana Humaira binti Omar.
There are 6 contents. The first one is introduction. The second one is case study. The third one is problem statement. The fourth one is result and discussion. 5, conclusion and recommendation. And the last one is reference.
Compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous. It is different from simple interest where interest not add to the principal while calculating the interest during next period.
Zara invested 10,000 ringgit into MBSP Bank Term Investment Account I that paid interest rate of 3.10% compounded monthly for 5 years.
What is objective for compound interest? The objective, the first one is to determine the accumulated amount as at the end of the investment period. The second one is to calculate the amount of interest capital I received. The third one is to calculate the accumulated amount if Zara add 6,000 after 2 years of investment or savings. The fourth one is to calculate the accumulated amount if there is a change of interest rate to 4.10% compounded monthly after 3 years during the investment period.
Result and discussion. Case 1. For objective 1, we have P equals to 10,000 ringgit. Interest rate K 3.10% which is 0.031. Frequency M equals to 12. T equals to 5 years. I equals to K over M which is 0.031 over 12 equals to 31 over 12,000. N equals to M multiplied with T which is 12 multiplied with 5. N equals to 60. Now we transfer all the value from problem statement to the formula. To find S, we use formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. We will get the value of S is equals to 11,674 ringgit and 25 cents. Objective 2. To calculate the amount of interest received, we have S equals to 11,674 ringgit and 25 cents. P equals to 10,000 ringgit. To find the value of I, we use the formula I equals to S minus P and then put all the amount to the formula. So we will get the answer is I equals to 1,674 ringgit and 25 cents.
3. To calculate the accumulated amount if Zara at RM 6,000 after 2 years of investment saving. The first one, we need to draw timeline. Okay, the timeline is P1 equal to RM 10,000, P2 equal to at 6,000. So the T1 for P1 until P2 is 5 years. The T2 for P2 until S is 2 years. So we need to find S. Then we need to find K1, M1, I1, N1, and N2. So the K1 is equal to 3.10%, M1 equal to 4, I1 equal to K divided per M equal 0.031 divided to 12 equal to 31 divided to 12,000. N1 equal to MT1 equal to bracket 12 bracket 5 equal to 60, N2 equal to MT2 equal bracket 12 bracket 2 equal to 24. And we need to write down S formula bracket S1 7167 bracket 1 plus I bracket power of 1 divide 12,000 S1 power of 24 bracket 10,000. So we get S equal to RM 1 plus 7,625 divide 12,000 power of S equal bracket S1 7167 equal to RM bracket 1167 divide 12,000 power of 24. We need to find P new. So we get S P new equal to RM. The formula is P new equal to S1 plus P2 and 2. So then S equal bracket 1167.42 plus bracket 6,031. So we get P new equal to RM power of 7,167. So we get S equal to RM 7,000. We need to find S 25 S equal to 2 P new bracket S 1 equal I bracket power of 7,167. So S equal. Next, objective 4. To calculate the accumulated amount if there is a change of interest rate to 4.10% compounded monthly after 3 years during the investment period. So the first one, we need to draw timeline. So the timeline is P equal to RM 10,000. So the T1 for P is 5 years. Then the T2 is 2 years. Then we need to find S. Continue objective 4. We need to write down formula. So we need to find S1. So the formula is S1 equal to P bracket 1 plus 1 I1 power of N1. So S1 equal to bracket 10,000 bracket 1 plus 31 divide 12,000 power of 60. So we get the answer S1 equal to RM 10,973.30. Next, we need to find S. So the formula to find S is S equal to S1. S equal to S1 bracket 1 plus I2 power of N2. So S equal to bracket 10,973.30 bracket 1 plus 41 divide 12,000 power of 24. So the final answer for S is equal to RM 11,099 ringgit point 36.
Introduction of Annuity. A contract that's issued and distributed by an insurance company and bought by individual is what we call annuity. The insurance company pays a fixed or variable income stream to the purchaser right after or in the future. An annuity can be categorized as intermediate or deferred, and fixed, variable, or indexed. People usually invest it by making monthly premium payment or lump sum payment. Case study number 2, annuity. As you can see from the pictures, we choose a used car which is Podua Myvi. The car price is 37,800 ringgit with down payment 3,780 ringgit. As for the interest rate, 3.65% for 4 years since the age car is 4 years. Problem statement. Alia plans to buy a used car which is for Myvi. The cost of the car is 37,800 ringgit. She plans to pay 10% of the down payment and the balance will be financed in Bank Islam Vehicle Financing I. The bank offers an interest rate of 3.65% for the age car of 4 years and is compounded monthly. There are 4 objectives. The first one is to determine the amount of monthly payment, which is R. The second one is to calculate the total interest I incurred. The third one is to calculate the total outstanding balance A if the payment was settled earlier than scheduled. The fourth one is to determine the outstanding arrears as if the borrower missed 4 months consecutive monthly payments. Result and discussion. As you can see from the information given, the cost price is ringgit. The down payment is 10% times CP, which is 3,718 ringgit. As for the balance, equals to CP minus TP equals to 34,020 ringgit, which is A. K equal to 3.65%, which is 0.06365. As for M equals to 12, T equals to 4 years, I equals to K per M. Numerator 0.0365 per 12 equals to 73 per 24,000. N equals to M times T equals to 12 times 4 equals to 48. First objective is to determine the amount of monthly payment, which is R. A equals to R1 minus 1 plus I negative N divided with I. R equals to A times I divided with 1 minus 1 plus I negative N. R equals to 34,020 ringgit times with 73 per 24,000 divide with 1 minus 1 plus 1 73 per 24,000 times with negative 48. R is 762 ringgit and 20 cents. To calculate the total interest I incurred, I equals to R times N minus A. I equals to 762 ringgit 82 cents times 48 minus 34,020 ringgit. I equals to 2,595 ringgit and 30 cents.
To calculate the total outstanding balance A if the payment was settled earlier than scheduled. Objective 3. After 4 years, she decided to settle the loan in a full amount. How much the amount paid? The first one is unpaid equal to N total minus to N paid equal to 44 and equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket the of negative N close the bracket over I. A44 equal to in bracket 762 ringgits and 82 cents in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 73 over 24,000 over 73 over 24,000. A44 equal to 34,019 ringgits and 88 cents. To determine the outstanding arrears F if the borrower missed 4 months consecutive monthly payments. Objective 4. If Alia has not paid her first 4 months monthly payment, how much should she pay on the 50th payment to settle all the outstanding balance? Unpaid equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Sn equal to R in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket to the power of N minus 1 close the bracket over I. S5 equal to 762 ringgits and 82 cents in bracket 1 plus 17 3 over 24,000 close the bracket. The power of 48 minus 1 close the bracket over 73 over 24,000. So the final answer is S5 equal to 3,065 ringgits and 23 cents. To determine the outstanding appears as. In conclusion, understanding compound interest and annuities is important because they provide a foundation for handling personal finance and making wise decisions that will increase our wealth over time for the future. We can resolve issues with loans and investment by using compound interest. Annuities, on the other hand, enables consumers to plan their future saving investment.